Why do some people cheat even in happy relationships? Achara.
Because may
Even
mga-
in happy relationships?
Yeah.
Ako, Achara.
Kasi, okay, Achara. May mga tao kasi na if everything's going well, they create drama
Chaos.
in their head. Na parang, why is everything... Siguro they've experienced something in their...
Trauma. It could be a trauma.
Yeah, they have traumas or
na
mga...
nagbibigay ng rush sa kanila.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Or mga
Really?
family, mga traumas in the family na nangyari dati. Or wala kang proper na idolize na couple that's successful.
Or maybe because that relationship can't provide what the other person needs.
Mhm.
So siguro that's why they cheat. But they love that certain person. Diba? And then hindi nila
It could be a
kayang-
rush. It could be just a rush.
Yeah, or it could
They
be...
cannot be stable. It's the responsibility of being in a it's hard to be in a relationship. I mean,
Yeah, it
it's
is.
a challenge. It's not just you have to remain loyal, especially now in these times. The situationship is around the corner. But first, it's time for shot clock.
No, but I think
Before we take our shot, let me
Yeah.
call in, of course, our director, producer, Richard Imora, to join us here. It is his birthday. He's celebrating his birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Show your legs.
Happy birthday to you.
May kulot-kulot. There you go.
Yay!
Yes, cheers. A message mo sa lahat na nanonood ng Too Hot for Podcast. Everybody else on there.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Too hot na nga yung podcast. Too hot pa yung mga hosts natin. Continue. Follow, like, subscribe. Thank you guys.
Cheers. For those who are watching, are you single?
Sinabay mo naman sa pag-chug. Thank you for the whiskey, by the way. Whiskey. My single, at this time, parang hindi na.
See,
Maraming nalungkot.
may mga honest pa na lalaki,
Sa
guys.
shorts na yan, maraming nag-DM ngayon. Send your pictures now. Thank you, man. Happy birthday!
Thank you, happy birthday! Talaga naman ang pogi ng
Happy,
ating
happy birthday.
Actually, yung buong team ng Too Hot talaga pogi at magaganda.
Ay nako, pag nakita nyo yung mga behind the
I know,
Oh.
right? Kaya
the
kailangan nyo
scene.
manood live.
Yes.
Kailangan nyo makita live. Ang popogi talaga
We
ng mga
will tell you
team
guys
natin.
where the info will be. Even the ladies behind it is hot too. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so ako, cheating in a relationship, ako yun. Sometimes they're so addicted to the drama
Yeah.
na kailangan may konting ganon. Yung I'm about to lose you, nag-away tayo, the makeup sex, the aggressiveness of it. Yun. That's why people do that.
Pero hindi naman kailangan mag-cheat. Diba? Pwede namang
Kasi if it's too well, depending on the age.
challenge ba?
Oh, kasi like when I was younger, no, I get bored. It's like, okay, or,
When you're younger.
Yeah.
boring naman ito. Walang kwenta.
Alam mo, feeling ko sa episode na to, in trouble talaga si Rico.
Walang
Mamaya.
kwenta naman. So gawin ko, gagawa ako ng away, kunyari. Tapos di ko kasabi mga 1 week. Hindi ko kasabi ko away. Tapos biglang punta sa bayan. Ba't di mo sinasagot yung tawag ko?
Yun
Hindi,
talaga may drama.
sometimes kasi,
Matagal ako
tingin mo
naghintay.
happy ka, pero deep inside, hindi ka pala happy talaga.
Hindi, malalaman mo naman pag hindi ka talaga happy, di ba?
Kasi I've
Pero
how do you
experienced
know?
that eh.
Siyempre, you'll feel it. Di ba? But sometimes kasi, I mean like, alam mo yung perfect relationship mo, pero there's emptiness. Alam mo yun inside. I mean like, I've experienced that also before.
Mhm.
And then like, sa hindi mo sinasadya, nag-cheat yung another person.
Mhm.
It's painful. Alam mo yun? So mas okay kung maging honest na lang kayo. Siguro
I have
sa
a
isa't isa.
question, like for you girls now. Since you're talking cheating, is that considered cheating if you find your partner sa cellphone nila, they watch porn?
What? Hindi naman yung kasalanan na.
No, is that
I mean,
considered
like,
cheating
all
because
of
they're
us-
looking at a
No.
different
No.
person having sex? Can that be charged as cheating?
No, it can be like you're learning from what you're watching. Di ba?
Yung mga ano ba yung sa inyo? Mga girl, ano
you
mapapanood
can
nyo?
actually watch and
What do
learn.
you watch when it comes to the categories? Ano yung trip mong pinapanood?
You know what I used to watch before?
What?
Yung mga orgy ng cheerleaders.
I cannot unsee this.
Oh, grabe. I was a lot younger, ha? Like high school.
Orgy ng
Yung
cheerleaders.
ginagangbang ng mga 10 lalaki.
No, sila lang. The girls lang.
Girl.
Just the
That
girls.
turns you on?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung mga pinapanood ko? Alam mo yung tita ko, may pinakita siya sa, doon talaga nag-start yung si Maria Osawa, doon ko na kilala eh. Alam mo, gustong-gusto ko yung squirting. I mean, like, before I was like, oh my God, totoo ba talaga to? Saan ang gagaling to?
Parang ang dami, no? Parang ganun.
Di ba,
Is this like pee or like...
And remember, Maria,
Yung mga questions sa
Maria
brain
did
ko.
explain it on our previous episode.
I
Na
know.
sabi niya, umiinom yata siya ng isang katutak na tubig.
Grabe, no?
Yeah.
I mean, like, dun ko lang na-realize na, oh my God, it's real pala. It's not fake. So guys, it's not fake.
So drink a lot of water, as in 5 gallons before having sex. And, you know.
Ganun.
Yeah. ganun
Na-try
pala
nyo naman
siya.
ni Phoebe.
Alright. Okay, my turn.
You want to know what my name is? Niagara. Because every time she sees me, splash.